Hello! In this video, I will explain how you can create and send an invoice. Before creating an invoice, it is recommended that you first create your customer. In order to start creating an invoice, go to the Income section through the top menu. Use the Create Invoice option to start creating your invoice manually. On this page, you must first select your customer through the Customer dropdown. Use the Continue button to start creating your invoice. In order to add all of the data of your invoice, you must navigate through the different sections that you find in the left menu. In the first option, General Data, you can add data such as the invoice number, invoice date, etc. In addition, if you go to the bottom part of the page and activate the More Options button, you will find that other options are activated, such as the purchase order, the contact number, or the dispatch number. Go to the Line section to continue with the creation of the invoice. Here, you will be able to create the lines of the product or services that you are invoicing. In the name of the product or service, add the description of the line. In quantity, write down how many products you are invoicing. In the drop-down Units, you can select the unit that you want to invoice. In Unit Price, indicate the unit price. The system makes the calculation when you save the invoice. Use the Add Line option and repeat this process to add as many lines as you need. In the Taxes area, you can select the taxes you want to apply on the invoice. You'll find available the ones that you have created when you set up your company. Open the drop-down of the tax that you want to apply and select the percentage that you want. At the bottom of the page, you can activate the tabs Add Discount or Add Additional Charge to add this information on the invoice. Access the Next section to add extra information of the invoice, such as the note on the invoice or the legal note. You can also attach additional documents to the invoice. Use the Select Files option to upload them. To finish creating the invoice, access the Collection section, where you can select how and where you want to collect the invoice. In the Payment Method dropdown, select how you want to charge the invoice, for example, cash. Select the due date. If needed, you can activate all of these three buttons to send a due reminder to your customer, add references, prepayments, and withholdings, or also add factoring assignment. Finally, save all of the changes by using the Save and Preview option. Finally, your invoice has been created, and you can send it by clicking on the Send option that you will find at the top right of the page.